Alright guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make anywhere from $300 to up to about $3,000 pretty quickly with affiliate marketing today in this video. You're going to want to stick around and see this. And let's go ahead and get started on this. First of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see here. And if this is your first time here to my videos, or you've been here before and haven't yet subscribed to the channel, because as you can see, I'm always coming out with ways to help you guys make money online and do it from the comfort of your home, most of the time for free and anywhere in the world, okay? Alright, so make sure that you reach down there below right now and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get started in on this method here today. I'm going to show you how you can do this and make some pretty good money for yourself here. First thing you want to do is come over here to this site right here. It's called Ionos. You see right here up here in the address bar. It's ionos.com right here. And this website is by One and One. It's a web hosting site. And you see they have all kinds of different types of hosting here. Web hosting, WordPress hosting, web hosting for agencies, WordPress Pro, dedicated VPS, and other hosting solutions. What we want to do is show how we can make money with this. We want to come over here where it says more, right here at the upper part here. And you come down here and you see where it says referral program right here. And you want to click on that. And that brings you over here, and you can see right here that with this affiliate program with Ionos web hosting site, you can make $300 per sale on this particular affiliate program here. And it's very easy to do this. You can refer it, recommend the product, wait for the sale, and earn the money. And then all you got to do is come down through here, all the different types of hosting it we saw. And they got a form that you fill out right here. You just simply fill out the different form for whatever it is you want to promote here, and fill in the salutation, if you will, and make it either formal or informal. Put your name or your email address or whatnot. And your friend, actually, if you get it to someone else that comes over here, can do this too, but you can also do it as well. And then you want to make sure you choose a customer ID name here. And then all you do is come down here, scroll down, it says recommendation via link, and you can see you can choose a product. And let's just say, for example, we want to choose web hosting, so we click here in web hosting. And let's just say we used our ID, our customer ID, and I'll just use my name as an example, and click continue right here. And you see it gives us the link, our affiliate link right here, and it's got my name attached to it. And that's all you do. What you'd want to do is you want to copy this link, and then go take it over to bit.ly.com and then shorten that link up, because that's an awful long link right there. And you want to shorten it up and make that so it looks a little bit better and easier to use. And then if you need to create another one, just click create a new link and choose another product, put in your customer ID, click continue, and it'll give you the link for that as well. That's the first site. So you want to stick around. I'm going to show you two more sites right here that you can do this with. And if you have, there's lots of other ways you can make money with unused domains on this site as well. And then they got frequently asked questions down here below on the Ionos referral program here. That's the first site. You can make up to $300 per sale on this site. The next site you want to come to is HostGator. And if we come to HostGator.com, you see it up here in the address bar and right there. And what you'll do is you'll click on affiliates there. It's up here at the upper right. Click on affiliates, and it brings you over to this page right here. And you see it says earn money with the HostGator affiliate program, because people are always looking. I mean, if you just do a search on Google, you'll find that people are always wanting to know how to build a website, or how to make a website, or what's the best website hosting company to use. Well, you're going to be right in there with your affiliate link on these particular keywords that people are searching for. So you can earn money with the HostGator affiliate program here. Check out what you can make right here. You can do, if you get 21 signups, that's $125 total. And if you look over here, that's $125 times 21 signups, guys. That's $2,625 right there. That's $2,625 that you can make if you get 21 plus signups. And you notice that each sign up for 1 through 5, it's $65. Once you get above 5, 6 to 10, 75. 11 to 20 is 100, and 21 plus is $125 per sign up, and that puts you at some pretty good money for a month. If you get 21 signups in a 4-week period from your advertising on your affiliate link, you can make some pretty good money between those two sites with the $300 Ionos and with HostGator. That'll put you up close to $3,000 right there. Now, basically, just do the same thing here. You can come down here and get your affiliate for the affiliate program. You can click right here and apply, and it brings you over here to the apply page here, and it's simple. You just apply and fill out their form here and get signed up. There's a couple of steps to go through here, actually 5 of them total here, and get signed up and get your affiliate link with this program right here. And then that's the second program, second site, and I've got a third site here for you. And the third site here, you want to come over here, it's called SiteGround. If you look up here in the address bar, siteground.com. See that? And you click on affiliates as well. If you come to the main page here, I'm already on the affiliate page, but you see it says affiliates right here. You just want to click on that, and it brings you over here to this page, and then hosting an affiliate program. And we offer great commissions. And if you look at what they're paying here, guys, if you get anywhere between 11 and 20 sales, that's $100 per sale, just for between 11 and 20 per month. But if you get 21 plus sales in a month, you can negotiate a custom commission with these guys. Custom commissions, and I've heard it said that people are negotiating up to $165 per sale on anything above 21 sales. So guys, that right there, that alone puts you in the 3,000 or better range right there. As you can see, it just like the other one, 1 to 5 sales is $50, 6 to 10 75, 11 to 20 100, and then the 21 plus is a custom commission that you can negotiate with the SiteGround folks. And I've heard it said, like I said, you can get about $165 per commission per sale on that. We're talking about, guys, between these 3 sites, if you advertise these 3 sites, Ionos, HostGator, and SiteGround, you're making it look, you're looking at potentially anywhere, you know, $3,000 to $4,000 per month. That's a pretty good income. Now, want you to stick around here. I'm going to show you one way that you can advertise this. You guys are going to have to use your own creativity and imagination, and you can advertise this in a lot of different ways. Now, some of these HostGator and Ionos, they will show you and give you some examples on how you can advertise it. You can use Instagram, social media, Facebook, all the social media sites, even TikTok, and you can advertise your affiliate link on those places. But I'm going to show you one way here right now that you can do that, and that is, for example, we're going to use my website, or my YouTube channel, sorry about that. And if you'll notice, I typed in up here how to build a website. People, you can use any keywords you want. You type that in, you get all these other keywords down here that people are typing into the YouTube search engine. So people are looking for these things: how to build a website from scratch, how to build a website for free, how to build a website with WordPress, how to build a website on Shopify with Wix for your business, and GoDaddy, Squarespace. It goes all the way down through here, and you can see all these that people are interested in. Now, what you will want to do is you can just type, for example, you can type how to build a website, how to make a website, any keywords that you can think of that have to do with websites, you can try and do this method with. And what you do is just do a search with it, and you see it brings up all these different videos right here, of these videos of how to make a website in 10 minutes. This video here's got 9.2 million views right here. And then you can scroll down here. This one here got 785,000. Learn how to build a professional website. how to make a WordPress website for beginners, 3.13 million views. You can just find all these videos that got lots of high views, and what you're going to do is you're going to put a comment in these videos with your affiliate link. So for example, to show you how to do this, I'm going to use my channel as an example here. So example, if you click on someone's channel and then you pick a video that you want to put your link on. For example, we'll just pick on one of my videos here, and I'll click on it and it loads it up here. We'll turn it off here so it doesn't play, and then if I scroll down, and I'll show you what you would do is you'd come to someone's video and you've already got your affiliate link shortened up in a bit.ly link, right? And then what you'll do is you want to make a comment on the video, but just don't put your affiliate link in there, because you'll get ghosted or have it removed or banned by YouTube, and may even ban your channel if you have an account with YouTube, which you will have to have an account anyway with YouTube to post a comment. What you want to do is type like something like loved your video, so that you watch the person's video, and then say something like, hey, check out this web hosting site that I found. We'll put it here that I found, and then a comma. It has helped me out a lot. And then you put a star or an asterisk, because you're going to bold the link. So I'm just going to use a fake bit.ly link here, for example. So if I go http://bit.ly, which is what it currently is, and then a /, and let's just say if we had Kevin back into that link, we customize that bit.ly link, which you can do if you have a free account at bit.ly.com. If not, you can just use the regular bit.ly link. It doesn't matter. And then put a star behind that. And if you look down here, if I can scroll this up, if you look down here, you see how it bolds in those asterisks or stars at the end. In the beginning of your link, it bolds it up. See how it makes it bold down here? You want to do that. But now here's something you're going to need to do, again, just to make sure that YouTube doesn't ghost your link or ban your link or give you any kind of a copyright strike against your channel. You want to make sure that you put a space right here after the http://. Just put a space just like that, and then you would just simply click comment, and then it will put your comment. As you see, it's right here, and it says loved your video, hey, check out this web hosting site that I found, it has helped me out a lot. And then it's got your bolded bit.ly link right in there, but that space in there saves you, because it doesn't look like a complete link, so YouTube won't strike against you for doing that. See, it'll stay there, and then all it is people come to that video, and they see your comment, and they will click on that link and come over and check out your web hosting site that you're referring, and click on it, and if they buy, you make a pretty good chunk of money. Alrighty, well guys, that's the video I had for you. Just use your imagination and your creativity, and you can market it, your links on all the other social media platforms, LinkedIn, Pinterest. Just think about it. Facebook, Twitter, can be anything that you can imagine. And market your bit.ly link there to make sales and affiliate marketing with these 3 websites, and make pretty good money, anywhere from $3,000 to possibly $4,000 per month. Alrighty guys, well, I'm going to let you go with that. Don't forget to reach down there and hit that subscribe button. Also click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And if you want to see my #1 recommended affiliate business, what you want to do is reach down there where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come over and check that out and see what's available for you there. And guys, I'll let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.